Did you know that after the age of 25, collagen production in your skin drops by 1% every year? This decline leads to wrinkles, fine lines, and sagging skin. But don't worry, you can fight back naturally with delicious foods. Stick around to learn how to boost your collagen production the tasty way. Welcome back to Calwain Health TV. Today, we're diving into collagen, your skin's best friend for staying youthful and radiant. From plump, glowing skin to strong hair and nails, collagen is vital for your overall health. Instead of relying solely on supplements, why not give your body a natural boost? Here are the top collagen-boosting foods to add to your diet. Berries. Packed with vitamin C, which aids collagen synthesis and fights free radicals. Leafy greens. Think spinach and kale. Their chlorophyll content helps with collagen production. Eggs. The whites are rich in proline, a key amino acid for collagen formation. Bone broth. A powerhouse of collagen and amino acids like glycine. Citrus fruits, oranges, lemons, and grapefruits are loaded with vitamin C to promote collagen building. A vibrant smoothie with berries, spinach, and a squeeze of fresh lemon. This blend is not only tasty, but also delivers a collagen-boosting punch to keep your skin glowing and youthful. So there you have it. From berries to leafy greens, these natural foods are your allies in boosting collagen production and achieving radiant skin. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Calwain Health TV for more wellness tips.